guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all what's in my office bag. So I think I have done a lot of what's in my backpack when I was in college, what's in my bag before going to office, and now finally since I have started to work, I am sharing with you guys what's in my bag. And this is so exciting. I love watching these kind of videos, and believe me, like I have grown up watching these what's in my bag, what's in my that videos, like what's in my phone, what's in my vanity, what's in my school backpack, what's in my emergency kit, and all of that. So I love these kind of videos, and that's why I'm really excited for this. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in my bag or purse or office bag. So it's going to be really messy because this is like honest what's in my bag. I have no time to fix all the things, and I have no time to organize. I have been so busy. Like I feel like busy is also such an underrated word for the phase that I'm going through in my life, and I really want someone who can comfort me, but it's okay, we still have to go through. So let's get started in the video. I'll link everything in the description box below in case you want to check them out. So now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now first coming to bags, there are two bags that I use. It just keeps on switching occasionally because sometimes if the bag gets dirty because of the weather, rains and all that, I'll switch it up. So I have two bags. Both of them are tote bags. I actually took a backpack from Puma, but then now uske saath itna bura incident hua tha na, so I decided, you know what, Himani, henceforth I'm not using a backpack, I'll be only using a purse. So right now, like in this week, I'm using this very pretty black purse, a tote bag from Lave. Super affordable. I got it from Amazon on like one-day delivery for like 1,000 rupees, and of course it's Lave, so it's branded, and it's such a pretty I really like tote bags with long straps rather than short ones. It's like a very nice big tote bag, and it's got a lot of zipper and space, and so easy to carry. So this is the one, and there are a bunch of different colors you can choose from. So firstly, of course, I have a bottle. This is a glass bottle, just kind of thoda sa pani hai, and then this is the cover. So in the office, we're not allowed to use what do you call, like a matte bottle, like a bottle which is not see-through. And I used to take a plastic bottle, like a regular cello plastic bottle, and in the office I filled it with hot water and the plastic melted. Like the bottle literally changed the shape, and from that day I made a decision, I'm not gonna use plastic. And I really like to drink like warm water, especially during winters, because I easily catch cold, easily get infected in my throat. So then I got this Kaach ka bottle. This was just for 99 rupees from DMart, and I think you can also get it from Amazon as well. I'll link it down below, but this was for 199 or 99, I don't remember, but very affordable. Kaach ki bottle hai, and it's got the protection as well. So yep. Next I have a book. This is basically a notebook for my YouTube videos, because whenever I get free time or whenever I get my break at work, I am literally fidgeting with my two phones. One, I'm answering mails and WhatsApp messages and deadlines and all, and then the other phone, I'm doing my personal work. So in this book, I basically write all of my YouTube related things. It's filled with like so many different things, all the products that I need to order and all of those different things. So yeah, I always carry this, and anyway, you guys know I need to carry a notebook. Earlier I used to carry my planner, but I do not carry my planner henceforth, because firstly I do not use it in the office hours, and secondly it just gets really heavy. So yeah, I don't carry my planner, but I do carry this notebook. Okay, so next I have my earbuds. These are the Go Noise rose gold ones, really pretty. I really use them like religiously. Pura, the entire tub has become so dirty. I am really looking for like new earbuds. I love them. I really find them very pretty and nice. And I'm really not that kind of a girl who looks into the bass and audio and all of those things. I just want like a earphone which goes into my ears and I can hear it, that's it, and is wireless. Because while I am either riding my bike or driving my car, I need earphones. So this one is the Noise one. Thoda sa expensive, but very nice, very pretty. If you are someone who is looking for like rose gold ones, I'll link it below. But I am looking for new earbuds, so if you have any good suggestions, please leave them down below, because I want to buy more earbuds. So yeah. Next I have my keys, of course. This is a bit weird, do not judge me. So I really like to keep my breath smelling good. So I have 1, 2, 3 packs of mints. These are double mints. I have this one in peppermint and spearmint. I wanted to get them one more flavor, but they just had peppermint and spearmint. So this is the one that I'm using right now, and these two are packed, which of course I'll open later on. So I always have mints in my bag. Let me just have one right now. And yeah, I'm not a person who will have like 2, 3. I'll only have 1 or maximum 2. Yeah, I have mints. Actually, this is still not over. I still have a lot of things in my bag. Wallet, of course. This is such a nice, pretty wallet. Again, from Miniso. So affordable. Link it down below. You really need to have this wallet. It's like very pretty. So I usually don't have cash, but let me just check if I do. Actually, I do have some cash in my wallet this time. I rarely carry a cash. Anybody who knows me or who goes out with me, they know this very clearly कि हिमानी के पास कभी cash होता नहीं है. I'm always either card or UPI. I have all my cards over here, my driving license, my house card, Aadhaar card and everything. So yeah, this is my wallet and I really like it. Next, I have an extra mask. This one is from Jockey. I love Jockey mask. Okay, so of course it's mandatory to wear mask at work. Sometimes, okay, like not sometimes, but once in a week, okay, once in a week, I always forget my mask at home, and then I end up buying a new mask that every single day from a chemist. So I one day went ahead and bought like 15 masks and kept it in my boot so that whenever I forget my mask, I do not have to run to the chemist and buy a new one. And now, believe me, out of those 15 masks, hardly 2 masks are left because those were use and throw. So I made a decision. I'm gonna keep on carrying these cloth masks in my bag because I don't know why I just keep on either losing them or forgetting to wear my mask before going to the work. So mask is very important. Now I have some random things. Yeah. Okay, now I have another pen. Wow, my house key was literally inside somewhere. So I have my house key as well. I have a lip balm. This one is the Plum Candy Melts lip balm. I really like this. And you can see like itna maine andar you know isko khod ke rakha hai. So yeah, this is the Plum lip balm. Okay, now we are almost done with everything. Okay, this one, these are just cotton, what do you call? Cotton pads, because sometimes I might just need it to refresh in my face. So yeah, I got them from Miniso. I think you can get them online as well. So these are cotton pads. Okay, last 2 items are totally random, so please don't judge me. First, I have a Soframycin tube. I think ये मैंने कल ही खरीदी थी because I was running out of my the one at home. So I have a Soframycin which I use very cautiously because मुझे लगता ही रहता है. Now coming to the last item, which is totally random. So since I went to the chemist yesterday and bought Band-Aids and Soframycin, I saw the Mamaearth's lip balm, so I wanted to try it out. So I got their cherry lip balm. Love the packaging. It's so freaking pretty. It is supposed to be a tinted lip balm, but I haven't really used it. Let me just... Okay, it's like a very slight tinted lip balm. Very excited to try it out. So I got this one. This one was for 299 rupees. I think the chemist gave me like some discount. So yeah, I got this lip balm and that's all. That's my bag. It's all empty. And in the last chain, let me see, do I keep anything over here? Oh, I do. I have my sunscreen. Guys, my hands and my face have like a huge difference because of sun, and that's why I decided to carry sunscreen. This is my absolute favorite sunscreen. A little expensive, but completely worth. This is the Reequals Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel SPF 50. Always carry this with me, and thoda sa expensive hai, but completely worth your money, and I just love it. So yeah, I have my sunscreen. Guys, that's what all I carry with me. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. I'll link everything in the description box below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what all more videos you want to see. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.